Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my very first makeup challenge. I'm gonna be doing the 5-minute makeup. I'm gonna try to do the 5-minute makeup. It usually takes me like 10 to 15 minutes, but I think that I can like narrow it down. I have all of my products laid out in the order that I need to apply them because I'm really gonna try to do this in under 5 minutes. I even have some lashes, which I feel like I'm doing the most because I don't think I'm gonna have time to apply lashes, but I am going to try. I wanted to start incorporating more makeup challenge videos into my page because I feel like I don't post them. I don't know, a lot of them don't attract me, but there are a few that have caught my attention. I just never got around to filming them. So I'm about to start dropping some challenge videos. Leave me a thumbs up if you do like this video or want me to record some other challenge videos. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button in case you guys want to get post notifications when I upload new content. But I think that's pretty much everything. Let's jump into it. Let's set this timer. I'm also going to add a timer to the screen so you guys can keep along with me. I don't know why, I feel like my heart is beating. I'm kind of like nervous because I hate like failing at things, and I think that I can definitely do this one. All right. I'm adding my timer. 5 minutes. I'm gonna have it set up on my little tripod, and on the count of 3, we're gonna get started. I don't know why I'm so nervous. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 5 minutes. First thing I'm gonna start with is my Milk Makeup primer. I have my Cover FX foundations. I'm just gonna apply it to the back of my hands. Mix that up. Start patting the crap out of my face. I'm gonna try to get a medium coverage. We have 4 minutes left, and I'm just applying foundation. All right, now I'm gonna jump into concealer. I'm using the Tarte Shapetape, and I'm gonna mix the Benefit Boi-ing concealer. I'm gonna try to mess that up. This is just going to add a little bit more brightness. Cancel out some of these dark circles. Using that same beauty blender. Okay, now I'm gonna take my translucent powder and just set my under eyes. Just wanna check the time. Oh my God, 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Adding a little bit of face powder. Now I'm gonna go into my bronzer, the Mercier Candleglow. Just going to dust off 1 minute and 54 seconds. Just gonna dust off this powder. Take this blush palette. This is the one by Hydrogrip. Take a little bit of highlighter. This is the Elcie Cosmetics Ah. Add a little bit of glow. Take my brow pencil, the Anastasia Brow Wiz. How long do we have? 1 minute and 18 seconds. Okay. Literally just threw on a few strokes. Ah, I'm like shaking. Take my mascara, 44 seconds. Take my lip balm, the last step, my setting spray. Yes! Hold on, let me see if I need to fix anything. I have 5 seconds left. So I can add one little, can't add one. There's a timer. Okay, my brows can use a little bit of work. I could have added a little lip liner. Oh my God. I definitely just got mascara on my finger and then put it on my brow. So I'm just gonna try to get that off really quick. Because my brows weren't completely, my mascara wasn't completely dry. So this is the full face, guys. I think that I did a pretty good job. I haven't touched anything. Could have, you know, worked on the brows a little bit, maybe threw on a few more coats of mascara, but if I have to be ready in 5 minutes, your girl can throw on a whole face, which makes me feel really good. So this is the full video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Maybe you learned something new today. Maybe you can challenge yourself to do your makeup in 5 minutes or less. I hope that you guys stay safe and stay well. And I'm thinking of all of you. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.